Good afternoon everyone, Malik and my new video are with you again. Today I suggest you watch a video tutorial on how to install Windows 10 on any external USB drive. I will use an external solid-state drive with a capacity of about 250 GB. After the end of the process, you can connect this SSD to USB any computer, and Windows 10 will work from this SSD, even if the computer does not have a working C drive, or you need to restore it, remove viruses from, or transfer important data from a locked computer, if you have forgotten your Windows password. To do this, you will need an external SSD or external hard drive, a Windows 10 ISO file, and an application to burn the ISO file to an external USB drive. I will use one of the best applications, Rufus, which is free. Okay, now you need to open the Microsoft Media Creation Tool download page. To do this, go to your browser and search, download Windows 10, or just open the description of my video, and click the direct link of the download page. The page of the Microsoft website has opened. Here you can learn more about how to use Windows 10. Now click here. And a special application has been downloaded to the computer, with which we will download the ISO file to the computer. Now open the folder where files from the internet are downloaded on your computer. You need to double-click on the file for the application to launch. Accept the license terms. In this window you need to select Download the Windows 10 ISO file. Next. On this page, we see the settings for my computer, as determined by the Media Creation tool, but you can uncheck the box and change the default settings. Choose a language architecture for yourself. I leave English. Next. On the next page, you have the opportunity to select a USB drive or ISO file. Here just select the ISO file option, and click Next. Then select the location where you want to save the ISO file. I select the desktop folder, and click Save, and now you need to wait for the Windows 10 ISO file to fully download. Windows 10 ISO file upload is complete, click Finish. And now I see the ISO file on my desktop. Okay, we'll go ahead and download Rufus. Just open your browser and search for Rufus. Or open my video description. And click the direct link to the download page. Scroll down to the inscription, Download. Click Rufus 4.2. By this time, when you are watching it may be a different and newer version. After downloading Rufus, connect the USB flash drive to your computer. I have already connected my flash drive. Open your Downloads folder. Double-click the installation file. And Rufus will launch. If you do this with a USB solid-state drive, then here at the top you will immediately see your flash drive. But if you are using a full-size external drive, then there will be an empty space here, and in order for Rufus to be able to detect the external hard drive, you need to check the box here. And it will be displayed immediately. Then click Select, and open the folder with the ISO file. Click on ISO, and click Open. Now Image Options, click and select Windows to go. Here you need to choose a partition scheme, two options, MBR or GPT. If you are going to use USB for different computers, then you need to choose MBR. If only on a computer with a GPT partition scheme, choose GPT. Click Start. And here you have to select the version of Windows. I choose Windows 10 Pro. Click OK. And here Rufus offers additional settings. If you intend to use Windows 10 as a rescue disk or something like that, then uncheck the box here, thereby removing the prohibition on opening other disks connected to the computer. I uncheck the box, click OK, and Rufus warns us that all data on the flash drive will be completely deleted. I have already saved all the data from the USB flash drive in advance. I hope you did this too. Click OK. And the installation of Windows on the USB flash drive has begun. The process is ended, we close Rufus. And now let's see what Windows 10 looks like on a USB flash drive. I open this PC, then the flash drive, and we see that it looks like the contents of the C drive on the computer. And so, the flash drive is done. Now you need to restart the computer, and load it from Windows 10 installed on the USB flash drive. Immediately after the start of the reboot, continuously press a certain key on the keyboard to bring up the boot menu. I press the F12 key. For you it could be F8, F9, F11, F12, or some other key. There is no single standard and different computers may have different keys to call the boot menu. Find your bootable USB flash drive in the boot menu, press Enter. Now you need to wait for the complete installation of Windows 10, and when the computer restarts, you need to call the boot menu again and restart the computer from the USB flash drive in order to continue installing Windows. You should know that the process of installing Windows on a USB flash drive takes longer than the usual installation, so be patient and please do not turn off your computer. The installation is complete, and we need to make the last settings. Select the region. Now the keyboard layout. Skip. Here you need to accept the license terms. I choose for home use. Next. If you have a Microsoft account, enter your details here. If you click Create Account, you will create a new Microsoft account. You just need to follow the system's recommendations. I will create a local account without registering in Microsoft, and I'll click Offline Account. I click Limited Experience. I like this name. Malik. Next. I don't need a password. Next. Here I will turn off all settings and my PC will run faster. Accept. Yes. Windows 10 installed successfully on a USB flash drive. It is exactly as full-featured as any other, with a full set of programs. The only thing is that this Windows will run a little slower due to the USB connection, but here you can make a few tweaks to improve performance. I open Explorer, then this PC, and here we see that Windows 10 is installed on my flash drive, and this is confirmed by the icon depicting a flash drive next to the C drive. On the right is the Windows 11 disk, where I downloaded the ISO file of Windows 10 and, using Rufus, created a flash drive with Windows 10. I hope what I told you was interesting and could help you. If you found it useful, please share my video with someone. Write me a comment, and I will answer all your questions. Thank you very much for watching my video. Good luck.